Welcome to Auto Trend, and welcome back to Auto Trend. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic and breathtaking cars ever made, the 1966 Jaguar E-Type, known as the most beautiful car ever made. As famously stated by Enzo Ferrari, the E-Type represents the pinnacle of British automotive engineering and design. Let's explore what makes this classic a timeless masterpiece. The 1966 Jaguar E-Type boasted a design that was both elegant and aerodynamic. Its long, flowing bonnet, low-slung profile, and sleek curves were a perfect blend of art and functionality. This car turned heads then and continues to do so today. Under the hood, the 1966 E-Type Series I was powered by a 4.2-liter inline-six engine, producing 265 horsepower. This allowed it to achieve a top speed of 115 miles per hour, a remarkable feat for its time. Paired with a 4-speed manual gearbox, the E-Type offered an exhilarating driving experience. Its lightweight construction and advanced suspension system made it a joy to handle, whether on open roads or winding corners. The interior was equally impressive, blending luxury with sportiness. Leather-trimmed bucket seats, a wood-rimmed steering wheel, and chrome-accented toggle switches exuded a sense of sophistication. Every detail was carefully crafted to provide an immersive experience for both driver and passenger. The Jaguar E-Type wasn't just a style icon, it was also a performance powerhouse that excelled on both the road and the racetrack. It represented the perfect balance of speed, beauty, and innovation. Thank you for joining us as we celebrated the legendary 1966 Jaguar E-Type. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Trend for more stories about the world's most incredible cars. See you next time.